Good day, everyone!
Today we're going to have our YouTube video about carbohydrate metabolism in agriculture. But before that, we're going to introduce ourselves first.
I'm Mierasol A. Obedencio.
I am Kris, Venice, and Econar.
I'm Mierasol S. Ranan.
I'm Jessie Obsid.
I'm Kiven Vicente.
I'm Jamal Macabada.
And today we're going to focus on photosynthesis. Good day, everyone! Today we will discuss carbohydrate metabolism in agriculture, focusing on the process of photosynthesis. So carbohydrate metabolism is important because it explains how plants produce, transform, and use energy in a form of glucose, so which also supports animals and human life through food chains. So in this video, we will also explain how photosynthesis works, how energy flows in the process, and how it affects agricultural productivity, including crop growth and yield. We will also discuss its importance in sustainability and environmental challenges.
Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy stored in glucose. This process takes place in a chloroplast, especially in a pigment called chlorophyll, which captures sunlight. Plants use carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil to produce glucose and oxygen. The overall chemical equation of photosynthesis is this equation shows that 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water produce 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen using light energy.
The word photosynthesis is a compound word made up of the term photo, which means light, and synthesis, which means to put together. And that's just what plants do. They use the energy in sunlight to make their own food. In order to photosynthesize, plants need more than just sunlight. They also need a part of air called carbon dioxide, CO2, and water, H2O. Plants take in the water they need from soil. At the tip of the roots are microscopic outgrowths called root hairs. Root hairs improve plant water absorption by increasing root surface area, which allows the root hair cells to take in more water. Water moves from the root hairs into the roots. The roots contain specialized vessels called xylem. Water moves through the xylem, through the stem, to the leaves. It's in the leaves that most of the photosynthesis takes place.
Photosynthesis has two main stages, the light-dependent reaction and the Calvin cycle. In the light-dependent reaction, sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll. This energy is used to produce ATP and NADPH, which are energy-carrying molecules. ATP acts as energy currency of the cell, while NADPH provides the electrons needed to chemical reactions. In the second stage, called the Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide is converted into glucose using ATP and NADPH. This is where the plant actually builds carbohydrates that store energy for growth and development.
Photosynthesis consists of two stages. There are the so-called light reactions, in which solar energy is converted into chemical energy, and then there's the Calvin cycle, which uses that chemical energy to build G3P, the precursor to glucose and other molecules. Both of these stages occur inside one of the organelles found in plant cells, which are called chloroplasts, and there are around 30 to 40 of them per cell. To summarize, photosynthesis occurs in two phases. In the light reactions, light and water go in, and oxygen comes out, as well as the ATP and NADPH that are used in the Calvin cycle, where carbon dioxide comes in and organic products like sugars come out. In this way, it's almost like the reverse of cellular respiration. They involve a series of redox reactions. The electrons just flow in opposite directions. In one, a sugar is built. In the other, a sugar is degraded.
Photosynthesis is extremely important in agriculture because it directly affects crop growth, yield, and productivity. Plants that perform photosynthesis efficiently produce more glucose, which leads to a stronger growth, larger fruit, and higher grain production. In agriculture, leaves are considered the source because they produce glucose, while roots, stems, fruits, and seeds are the sinks, where carbohydrates are stored and used. This sinks relationship determines how well a crop develops and how much food it can produce. Improving photosynthesis efficiency can help farmers increase food production and support global food security.
Photosynthesis is affected environmental conditions. Too much heat can reduce enzyme activity, slowing down the process. Limited water supply can lose plant stomata, reducing carbon dioxide intake. Low light intensity can also decrease the rate of photosynthesis. Climate change is a major concern because it affects temperature and rainfall patterns, which can reduce crop productivity. This challenge shows that maintaining a stable environmental is important for sustainable agriculture and food production.
According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, improving the photosynthetic efficiency is one of the key strategies to increase global agricultural productivity and ensure food security in the future. This shows that understanding carbohydrate metabolism is not only important in biology but also in solving real-world problems like hunger and climate change. In conclusion, photosynthesis is the foundation of carbohydrate metabolism in plants. It converts sunlight into chemical energy, supports crop growth, and plays a vital role in agriculture and sustainability.
That's all, and thank you for watching.